friends, this is Melissa. Welcome to my channel. So this is going to be like a really short little video. My family all caught like the worst bug. I have been sick for over a week. It's been a very bad, miserable sickness. So I didn't end up getting to the antique shop, but I did go back after Halloween and I saw a couple of holiday things, Christmas things that I wanted. And I went back for one thing. And I ended up seeing some things that weren't there the last time that I went that were Christmassy. And I did take little clips and videos of just a few things. So I wanted to share those with you guys and then also share with you what I got while I was there. Also, this year was just really busy and I wasn't able to share with you guys all of the different decorations I did. If you want to see stuff that I've done previous years, I did some really pretty things, at least in my opinion. And you can check back. There was stuff from last Christmas and the Christmas before. But for this one, I just also wanted to share a couple of my favorite areas that I decorated with you guys this year. I used some of the things that I got at thrift shops and at antique shops as well. I can't talk anymore. But anyways, yeah, that's just going to be kind of short and sweet, and that I just wanted to kind of squeeze this video in at the last second. I didn't think I was going to be feeling good enough to get this up, but it's very last second, so let's get on to the antique shop. Is anybody else a huge fan of the Mamma Mia movie? It's like my favorite. I think it'd be so fun to collect vintage records. That is one thing that's on my wish list, is a record player for the future. This unopened strawberry puzzle was so cute and it was from 1978. I've really been enjoying doing puzzles with my kids lately. We've only been starting out with 100-piece puzzles, so the little one can do it too, but it's just a fun, relaxing way to spend time with the family. And this vintage lucite swag lamp, say that 3 times fast, it's a tongue twister, but it's absolutely stunning, you guys. I wish I could have got this and hung this in my house somewhere. Also, this beautiful handmade jewelry brooch tree art is absolutely gorgeous. I made one of these last year. If you want to see that video, I will post it below. It's so festive how they use the red as a background. This is what mine looks like. I did a black velvet in the background. I collected these brooches at antique shops, thrift stores, and garage sales. I also used old broken pieces of jewelry that I had laying around the house, and I want to make another of these using special items from my grandma someday. If you want to see how I did it, then definitely go check out that link below. Now onto the little mini haul portion. This is the only thing I got. I was so excited. I could not stop thinking about this piece. I had to go back and get it. It is from the 60s or 70s. It's a little vintage lawnware swag lamp, and people can make these or used to make them. I think that would be a really fun craft project. Maybe I will attempt to do that in the future. If you guys want to see me try to make one of these, definitely comment below. But my whole vision for it was that it went beautifully with my little white porcelain tree. That one's not vintage, sadly, but I wanted to put them together. And all of these little pictures that you're seeing now are just previous ways that I've decorated my house for different Christmas times. So if you want to see any of those videos, I will try to link all of those videos below for you guys. And next, I'm just going to share with you guys our little Christmas living room movie theater. I just wanted to tell everybody Merry Christmas, and I really appreciate you all, and I thank you all so much for being here and for watching my videos, and I hope you have a happy holidays, whatever you celebrate, and I hope you enjoy this short little video, and we'll be doing lots of new stuff in the new year for 2024, so stick with me, and yeah, I hope you guys have a happy new year as well. I might have one more video coming before the end of the new year. We'll see how much time I have, but otherwise we'll see you in the next one. Alright, bye!